Now take the bigger piece and get a marker and on the wrong side of the fabric, make a mark 1.5 centimeter away from the raw edge. It will be about there, and make two more 1.5 away from that mark. Now take your marker and you will draw from the one point to the other point a line. You do this with the second one as well, and with the third one as well. So you will have 3 lines. Do the same with the other piece of fabric. Over there, 1, 2, 3, and the other side, 1, 2, 3. So next you will just draw a line from there until there, and you will be also be cutting that line. The same that side and the bigger piece as well. From there till there, draw the line and cut. So I placed it nicely down there, and I used a spray bottle. This is just plain water to spray it and keep it flat. What we will do now, we will be sewing from there until there and the bottom of the smaller piece. Same you will do with the big piece. So from there until there. Take the smaller piece now and place the plastic on the narrow hem like so, and you just stitch from there all the way until there. So next what you will be doing, you will be placing the two pieces together, but make sure you have it right sides facing you and the wrong sides together. So we'll be making French seams down until here, and the other side as well, a French seam. And then leave this one. After you've done your French seam, we will turn it right side out, and then you'll do the French seam at the end again. My tip for you when you sew the plastic part is to stitch nice and slowly, little bit by little bit. And you will notice that the plastic has a tendency of stretching. As you sew on the plastic, it's good to keep your one hand at the back and the one hand in front. So you're going to be making French seams here at the bottom. Stitch it down there, turn it the other way around, and then you will do the inside just like the other one you did over here. So just give it a nice press here up, and be careful that you don't damage the plastic. So for the last part, you can just use one cord or one piece of ribbon, and you thread it through the seam at the top that you made, pull it out, and you can use the second one. You start then on the opposite sides, okay? You don't start this side, you start in that side, and you pull it from there, through there, down there, till there. So you will have one side this one and one side that side. And what I do, I normally fuse in the ribbons.